All right, let's do this St. Patrick's Day shuffle with some music. Click on the link below to get the breakdown, to get the song for free, and to get a special St. Patty's Day deal. I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, and stick around to the end to get access to the full performance of this choreography. Let's do it! Beautiful, I'm gonna start at about 10% under tempo, and I'm starting at 26 seconds into the song. Good luck.
Morn to night.
6, 5, 6, 7.
St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Woo!
Still just a little brisk in some spots, even at 10% under. Don't worry. Let's run it 2 more times at 10% under so it can kind of really settle. After that, we'll push it and see what happens. Here we go.
Morn to night.
6, 7, 8.
The St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Soft and green.
I'm not feeling as young as I used to. We're gonna roll that all again. Here we go. One more time at the 10% under. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Morn to night.
6, 7, 8.
The St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land.
Hey! Yeah!
Soft and green, where the
Woo! All right. I'm gonna breathe for a second. You can breathe for a second. All right, we're gonna jump it up about 5% under. We'll do a couple runs there. After that, we'll go for the gold. The pot of gold. We'll go for the gold and see what happens. All right, -5. I hope this doesn't hurt too much. And I say it as much for me as I say it for you. Here we go.
morn to night.
6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Through the valley, soft and green.
Woo! That was as hard as I thought it would be. Oh, mercy. All right, one more time, -5. Good luck. Here we go.
Morn to night.
6, 7, 8.
The St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Through the valley, soft and
Oh yeah, breathe. Rest for a minute if you need to. We're going the real deal. We're going the full speed. All right, my friends, if you're having a good time running through this choreography, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a minute to answer in the comments below, what's the #1 thing you're wanting to get out of tap dancing, right? What's the #1 thing? I'll give you a second to do it now. Beautiful, thank you so much. All right, let's keep running. I'm buying time while I catch my breath right now. That's what's happening. I know you know that. I just thought I would verbalize it, but I know you know that. All right, here we go. Let's just see what happens. Good luck.
Morn to night.
6, 7,
Oh, the
8.
St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Through the valley, soft and green.
Woo! Those Irish pull flap heel heels, those are tough. For me, that's me, they're a little bit rough. All right, I got one more in me. I hope you got one more in you. Real speed, last time. Have as much fun as you can at this speed. All right, here we go.
Morn to night.
6, 7,
Oh,
8.
the St. Patrick's Day shuffle, it's a rolling call. A swirl of pure glee that lifts up us all. It's a spark in the air, a rhythm so grand, a dance that sweeps across the land. Through the valley, soft.
Great work, my friends. Be sure to click the link below to get the music for free and that special St. Patty's Day deal. Also, click up here now to get access to the full performance given by yours truly. I'll see you there.